All right, let's talk a little bit about the evolution and the history of product management. Our story begins at Hewlett Packard, a tech giant that set the stage for the evolution of product management as we know it today. Picture this: it's the mid 20th century, and HP adopts a new division structure. Instead of a centralized approach, they decentralize their entire organization. And here's why it's important. So each group at HP was not only responsible for developing, but they're also manufacturing their own products. So imagine almost a mini company, if you will, for each product line. And why is this such a big deal? This shift sparks the birth of what we know as modern product management today. These self-sufficient product groups essentially laid the foundation for the role of a product manager. They weren't just developing products, they were managing the entire life cycle from conception to production. So let's explore the profound influence of HP on tech product management, a legacy that continues to shape even today's practices. Now, the division structure at HP left an indelible mark, inspiring many of modern tech product management practices we see today. It underscored the significance of maintaining small, self-sufficient product teams, and their approach really became a blueprint, emphasizing efficiency and autonomy. Small, self-sufficient teams are empowered to navigate the entire product's lifecycle, bringing in innovation and adaptability. And that's really what they sort of inspire in modern practices today. As you navigate the dynamic landscape of tech product management, remember this influence of HP. Embrace this power of small teams and witness the positive impact on innovation and the overall efficiency of product development. Let's dive into the impactful theme of the Agile Manifesto and its transformative effect on software development, an evolution that began in 2001. Now, this Agile Manifesto, which was born in 2001, stood as a pivotal moment that ushered in a significant shift in software development. It prioritized principles such as customer collaboration, adaptability to change, and the advocacy for agile practices over traditional waterfall approaches. The impact is profound. The Agile Manifesto becomes the guiding philosophy, emphasizing a more flexible, collaborative, and a customer-focused approach. It marks a departure from linear methodologies to a more iterative, adaptable process. So as you navigate this dynamic world of product management, understand the profound influence of this Agile Manifesto. Embrace its principles, foster collaboration, and witness the positive impact on the agility and the success of your product. All right, let's dive into the impact of the lean startup movement now, and this concept of a minimum viable product, or MVP, on modern product management. The lean startup movement, championed by Eric Rice, ushered in a transformative approach, starting with an MVP, or a minimum viable product, and learning and iterating your way from there. This concept has become a fundamental aspect of modern product management. The idea is simple. You ship a V1 to the market, get customer feedback, iterate your way from there, and then ship a V2. And that's how the whole process continues. It's one of the best ways to ship product to market from my experience. Don't wait for the perfect product. Build an MVP, ship, iterate, and make it better from there. The lean startup movement really challenges the traditional product development approach by advocating for a lean, iterative process centered around learning from real-world feedback. This MVP approach becomes a very powerful strategy for validating your ideas and minimizing resource waste. So as you navigate this landscape of product management, embrace the principles of a lean startup movement and the concept of an MVP. So the Agile Manifesto, born in 2001, and the lean startup movement, spearheaded by Eric Rice, have profoundly shaped modern product management. Together, they emphasize iterative development, user experience, sort of customer obsession, and outcome-focused approaches. And the impact is monumental. This marriage of agile and lean principles has transformed modern product management. It's brought in a culture of continuous improvement, being iterative, and a relentless focus on user needs and outcomes. It has truly redefined how products are conceived, developed, and brought to the market today. So as you navigate this landscape of product management in your roles, recognize the importance and the nature of Agile and the concept of the MVP. Embrace this ability to adapt and change and learn and iterate. Today, product management is considered essential for any growing technology company. With the use of agile methodologies and this concept of MVP and all the principles from the lean startup methodology, this has become the norm. Product-led growth, an increased focus on user experience, and this expansion of product organizations with the CPO roles, the Chief Product Officer, highlights the evolving nature of the field. The use of all these different techniques has become the norm, and it truly showcases a dynamic shift in how products are conceptualized and developed. And the impact is significant. Contemporary trends highlight a transition towards product-led growth, emphasizing the role of products and driving business success. There's an increased focus on elevating user experience and recognizing its profound influence on customer satisfaction and loyalty. So as you navigate the field of product management today, recognize the importance of this agility and the strategic elevation of product roles such as the emergence of the Chief Product Officer.